Hey friends, this sweet potatoes, cauliflower with carrots and bell peppers is so good and easy to make. Serve this soup as an appetizer or as a meal by itself. For this recipe, I'm using sweet potatoes, a cauliflower, carrots, red bell pepper, a red onion, garlic. We also need some curry powder, some vegetable base, chili flakes, dried thyme, coconut milk. Once all the vegetables are peeled and diced, they will go on this sheet pan and then get roasted in the oven. For the cauliflower, I'm only going to use a half of it. We are also going to use some of these edible stems. All these, just roughly chop them. They'll provide with a lot of fiber. Utilize this stem too. This gets mixed with the rest of the vegetables. This will be roasted separately. Season these vegetables with some salt, black pepper, some neutral cooking oil. I'm using canola here. Toast this. Bring the sheet pan. Spread them in one layer. This will go into a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are cooked through and softened. Actually, I will use the whole cauliflower here. This is a medium-sized cauliflower. I've decided I will reserve some of the vegetables to go on the soup as a garnish. Some salt, black pepper, some oil. Then for the cauliflower, just heat it with some of this curry powder. potatoes. This will go on this baking pan. Into the oven. One thing that I will do that is totally optional is roast a whole garlic. Just cut it slightly at the top, exposing the cloves. Get a foil paper, some oil, just a touch salt, some black pepper. Wrap this, and as the vegetables roast in the oven, this one will roast too. Now, as the vegetables continue to roast in the oven, open a can of coconut milk, empty this into this small saucepan, some vegetable base. I'm using better than bouillon. You can use any, but always be aware of the salt content. You can use vegetable broth instead. Some of the chili flakes, put just a little bit to start with. Good amount black pepper. Notice we are not going to add any salt here. Add some more water. We will adjust the amount of water as needed. Some of the curry powder. Bring this pot to a boil. Let it simmer. This will loosen the soup at the end. All the elements of this soup are fully done. Give these vegetables a few minutes to slightly cool down. Now set aside some of these vegetables to use as a garnish. Some carrots, onions, a blender bowl. The vegetables go in. Some of the cauliflower. The garlic is all roasted and now it's so sweetened. Add some into this batch, still very hot here. Add some of this coconut broth into the bowl. Start on low. Once you are satisfied with the consistency, you have a thick puree here. Transfer into this pot and finish the rest of the batch. So the rest of the vegetables in. Now with all the soup done blending here, a good time to adjust the consistency and the seasoning. So it definitely looks very thick at this point. So that means we can add some more water. Some of the curry that we left behind, just add it in. Now it's up to you. At this point you can determine the thickness of the soup that you desire. This is still too thick for me. We'll need some more water and some salt. And by the way, I'm adding hot water. Salt. From here you can add some heavy cream or yogurt just to add some richness and thickness to it. For me, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of yogurt. Swirl it in, just spread it in. This soup has a lot of natural sweetness, especially from the sweet potatoes, carrots, and the peppers. 2 scallions. Save the whites. This is definitely my lunch. A ladle full. And another ladle. And more soup. Grab some of our reserved vegetables. Put them on the plate like so. Drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil just to finish. Some scallions, you can use chives. And just to tie everything all together, just some yogurt. Such a beautiful looking soup. Get some of the vegetables here. Wow. Wow, this soup is so good. Parsnips will definitely work in this soup too. Turnips or any root vegetables will definitely work. This is so good. It's very comforting. Very good rounded flavors. The carrots, the sweet potatoes, and the bell peppers, the red bell peppers, they have similar colors, so they give this soup this beautiful color. Definitely turmeric enhances the soup. The curry gives it nice kick. You can avoid the red pepper flakes if you choose not to have it a slight kick that's in the soup. You can also skip yogurt and just make it as a vegan. A perfect soup that you can use as a meal. Just add the vegetables as I did here, or serve in a small bowl as an appetizer, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you think about this recipe. I will see you in the next one. Just remember to subscribe.